If you have gone into public for any reason over the last couple months, you've probably been exposed to COVID-19 in some way or another. Exposure just means that you've likely come into contact with somebody who may be positive, or you may have come into contact with the virus itself in some way or another. Just because you've been exposed, it doesn't mean that you're actually going to contract the virus, test positive, and then become ill. But in order to have a claim for workers' comp, you have to suffer an actual on-the-job injury or occupational disease that results in the need for medical treatment. Even if Georgia carved out an exception that permitted those who contract COVID-19 in the workplace to recover workers' comp, in no circumstances would that apply to cases of exposure. If you know that you have been exposed to someone who tested positive for COVID-19, the CDC recommends that you quarantine for 14 days. If you miss work and lose income during this quarantine period, you may be entitled to various employment law protections, but you would not be entitled to recover for workers' comp.